To create your Give Campus Advocate account, browse to the SPC Day 2024 Give Campus landing page. In the upper right-hand corner, select Sign Up, enter your email address, and select Next, or you can choose to use your Facebook account and create your new account. Now enter your full name and select a password. Make sure it meets the password requirements. The school should automatically appear. If it does not, type in St. Petersburg College and click the Sign Up button. Accept the terms of service and privacy policy by checking the box and clicking the Proceed button. Your account is almost set up. In the upper right corner, you will now see your name appear with a default profile photo. Now, log into your email account and locate the email from GiveCampus. Open the email and click on Confirm My Account. Once you confirm your account, you will immediately receive another email from GiveCampus confirming that your account is completely set up. Access the campaign page and select the default profile photo in the upper right corner to the right of your name. Select Update Profile Picture and upload your photo. Once you update your photo, select the Account menu option. Here is where you can begin to link your Facebook account to GiveCampus. Lastly, go to your campaign page and you'll be able to view that your profile photo has been updated and you are all set.